Hey, this is Sean Edmonston and you're watching Apple Moms. Today we're going to learn about AirDrop. AirDrop allows you to wirelessly send contacts, photos, and files to people nearby. Now let's hop on the iPhone and see how to do it. Alright, say that we just got done taking some photos and we would want to quickly share them with our friends without texting them or degrading the quality of the video. So we're going to hop in our photo album here. Go to all of our photos and we're going to hit select in the top right hand corner. We're going to tap a few of the photos that we would like to send. Maybe we would select a bunch of them by clicking the first one and dragging to the last one. And in the bottom left hand corner you'll see the share icon. Anywhere that you see the share icon you can AirDrop to someone else. Now we see at the top we have AirDrop. We can also AirDrop to another Mac or iMac. Also we have my iPhone just popped up there, so we're going to tap on that and share it with my iPhone. Now the other user sees that notification pop up on their phone and they can either decline or accept. In this case we're going to accept, and those photos go straight into our photo gallery. Now you might be saying, I don't want everyone to be able to just share stuff with me over AirDrop. Well, you can control that just by swiping up into Control Center. So we're on our iPhone here and we're going to swipe up from the bottom to get into Control Center. We press down on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth area in this top left hand corner, and we see the bottom left hand corner we have AirDrop. Now right now I have AirDrop turned to everyone, or you can turn it off to contacts only, and then to everyone. Maybe if you're just meeting the person and you might not have their phone number in your contacts, you can hit everyone. I like to keep it on contacts only because a lot of the time I'm only sharing it with people that I know. And again, that's swipe up from the bottom, or if you're on an iPhone 10, swipe down from the top right hand corner. We're in Control Center, press and hold, and then AirDrop. Now that's just a short introduction to AirDrop. Remember, you can share files, contacts, photos, or links from Safari from within the share icon using AirDrop. If you have any questions about your Apple devices or AirDrop in general, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer it for you. And as always, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.